Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is August 28th, 2019. Here to give you all the news according to the charts and look at some of these articles because these articles are literally pointless when you look at how the market is actually trading. And that's one of the main reasons, if you're here, I want to tell you is that we're here to give you a forward price prediction, like a forecast, to show you precisely where the market is anticipated to go before it actually gets there. So many times we see articles and videos of which people are late to the party. And if you're going to be a very successful trader in this space, you have to be in the move before the market actually goes in that direction. So if this is your first time coming to our channel, again, we definitely appreciate you all watching. If you appreciate the content though, hit that subscribe button, and as well, join us at our website at HueFinancial.com if you want to see our analysis and forecast for some of the other altcoins in the market. So now we are going to talk about this article on the left side of my screen, and then at the end of this video we'll go ahead and show you our next price forecast for Cardano. Okay, so now this article right here came out today. Okay, talking about, well, it's about Cardano hovering in the danger zone. XRP looks positive. Okay, XRP looks positive. Now, the crypto markets have been in a very bumpy start to the week. This is what the article starts out as, and states that Cardano is poised or positioned in what has traditionally been a make or break region. This is what you will term analysis paralysis. It could go either direction. It's literally what this article is talking about. And then another point I wanted to highlight is that if ADA can shake off any negativity, it can use this price region as a support zone and push on for 5.5 cents. Cardano is teetering on a knife edge. ADA has a bit of hoodoo voodoo with the 0.0511 to 0.0512 region, with it being support and resistance. And he went ahead and given us a depiction of the price chart in Cardano. Now, for the most part, looking at this price chart, clearly you can tell it is more acting like resistance than it is support. Okay, so it wasn't teetering on a knife's edge. One of the things I wanted to point out to you is that when you look at these articles, if you see too many of these words, if, but, what happens, possible, be very leery of these articles. Okay, because it tells you that they don't understand what the market's going to do. I went ahead and I did a Control F for the word if, and it comes up 13 times in this one article. Okay, so let's go ahead and see if we can find them now. So the first one is right here, if ADA. Second one is in the word knife, so we don't count that. Third, if. Fourth, knife, don't count that. So we got two ifs, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So out of this whole article, we have 7 ifs already. That is presumption enough to substantiate that this individual who wrote this article don't know what the price is going to do. Now, but what happens in the next few days will be critical to how ADA finishes the week. So what is this article about? It's pointless for us to continue to read this if you're not going to give us a direction as to what you expect the market to do. And then at the very bottom of this article, keep an eye on the charts. Really? If I'm gonna keep my eyes on the charts, I don't need to be keeping my eye on your article. Both of these pairings talking about Cardano and XRP carry a significant amount of risk. Why do they put this at the end of every article? They need to put this in the very front, because you need to let everyone know before they read your article that you taking a huge gamble when you look at these words. So Cardano XRP carries a significant amount of risk, obviously, with huge downsides lurking should markets not push the cryptocurrencies upwards. Obviously, markets can only go three directions: higher, lower, or in between, period. Either way, if ADA and XRP slide down, they present huge opportunities to buy in at a lower price and realize significant gains over the next few months. So you telling the reader that if they're in a losing position, don't worry about it. Buy more of the market at these cheaper prices, because eventually the market is going to move higher for Cardano and XRP. Now that is bad knowledge to be passing around. You need to time the market. Just because you see the market continue to move lower doesn't mean it's a buying opportunity. Because understand, if you take this same presumption that he has here in the last part of this article, then every day, look at this chart right here. You would have bought in on this day. You would have bought in on the 30th. You would have bought in on the 10th of July. You would have bought all the way down, and you'll definitely be increasing your losses rather than you increasing your gains. It's all about timing the market. Don't take this as a buying opportunity. Take it as a time to sit on the sideline and wait until that time presents itself to buy in the market. Everyone continually say buy as the market moves lower. So if you were to read this article back in 2018 of May, to where he says, or he writes, buy in at a lower price, you'll be buying all the way until today's current day. The market in Cardano in the long term hasn't been seeing that move to the upside. Okay, so I definitely wanted to point that out to each and every one of you, that timing is crucial in trading. Everything else comes with the territory. But if you're able to precisely and accurately time the market, you'll maintain your profitability and increase it, because you'll know what time the market is acting in. And that's what we've been showing you all here literally since we've been on this platform. And that's what we're going to do again today. I'm going to zoom in real quick, and you can see how our last video for Cardano, which was on the 25th of August, right here, expectation was for the market to move lower. We knew that the market in Cardano was giving us weakness. And today we get a little bit more confirmation that this ascending line that we did draw on this chart, that the market in Cardano is not that strong. So we're going to hold a consolidational trading area in Cardano for the foreseeable future. Okay. So now, if we were to take the profit out on this move right here in Cardano, we will be in profit of about 8%. Okay. Now, if we took it all the way down to the low, 10% in the market from when we created our video. So in 3 days, 10% profit in the market. Can't get no better than that. So what I'm going to do, go ahead and get rid of that. And we're going to show you what the market in Cardano is anticipated to do in the future. And here it is right here. Nice and simple. I just went ahead and transformed that ascending line into one of consolidation. There you go, right there. So this is the expectation in the market in Cardano, to consolidate. Now, granted, we're definitely seeing a huge amount of weakness amongst these daily price bars. So don't get it twisted that consolidational trade range can't come all the way down to 4 cents. Given the width of this bar for today and us closing towards the low end of the bar, it's highly unlikely that we're going to hold this 4.5 cents in the long term. It's possible, but keep your eyes open on this 4 cent level too. Okay. So what we're going to do, we are going to anticipate the market in Cardano to give us more weakness and movement to the downside. Now I'm gonna hold resistance around 5 cents now. Okay. And I'm going to bring this resistance area down here. And now this area is going to be used for resistance in the market in Cardano. Okay. I'm gonna give us a little cushion though. Bring it up just a little bit higher. Bring this out a little bit further. So expectation in the market for Cardano is for it to consolidate within this range initially, but today's daily price bar definitely gives us more inclination that this market in Cardano is going to continue to move to the downside. Okay. So there you go. This is our new expectation in the market for Cardano. I'm going to bring this price target up a little bit higher. I'm bringing it up around 4 cents, but TP is going to be at 0.043. Okay. So there you go. This is our expectations in the market for Cardano. I wish I could make my lines a little bit straighter, but hey, just winging it. So there you go. Give us the thoughts, your expectations in the market for Cardano. This is our forecast as to our expectations of where the market's going to go. But all in all, I'm just literally seeing this market hold consolidation of trading. If we were able to close above 5 cents, that would have been a bigger indication that this market is holding strength and moving higher. But obviously you can tell that we're breaking below that today. And with this push to go down bar in the market, we still have some lower prices to go through. Okay. So questions, comments, let us know. But in the meantime, make sure you all maintain your profitability, and I will see you all on the next one.